Welcome to Encyclopedia, a series where we cover high-frequency GRE words to help you prepare for the test. In this video, we will be discussing 10 words that you may encounter on the GRE. The first word is abate. This means to become less intense or severe, or to reduce in amount or degree. An example sentence would be, the storm abated after a few hours. The second word is aberrant. This means deviating from the norm or abnormal. An example sentence would be, his behavior was aberrant and not typical of him. The third word is abeyance. This means temporary suspension or a state of inactivity or suspended action. An example sentence would be, the project was in abeyance while they searched for funding. The fourth word is abscond. This means to flee secretly and hide. An example sentence would be, the suspect absconded before the police could arrest him. The fifth word is abstemious. This means characterized by self-restraint, especially in relation to food and alcohol. An example sentence would be, he was abstemious in his habits and didn't drink or smoke. The sixth word is admonish. This means to caution or reprimand gently but firmly. An example sentence would be, the teacher admonished the students for talking during class. The seventh word is adulterate. This means to make impure by adding inferior or tainted substances. An example sentence would be, the food was adulterated with chemicals to make it look fresher. The eighth word is aesthetic. This means relating to beauty or the appreciation of beauty. An example sentence would be, the museum had an excellent collection of aesthetic paintings. The ninth word is aggregate. This means a total amount or a gathering of distinct parts or individuals into a single entity. An example sentence would be, the aggregate amount of all the bills came to $200. The 10th and final word for today is alacrity. This means cheerful readiness or eagerness. An example sentence would be, she accepted the job offer with alacrity. That's it for today's video. We hope this helps you in your GRE preparation. Keep watching our channel for more high-frequency GRE word lists. Thank you for watching.